I'm here with Terry Nye from NyeTec, and Terry's going to give us a little overview of NyeTec as a company and what they're showing here this year at BVE South. Hi, Terry.
Good morning.
Good morning. Tell us a little bit about NyeTec.
Right. NyeTec is a reseller of general broadcast equipment for testing of televisions and radio equipment throughout the UK and our export markets abroad. Our main focus is the UK, but we do export to Europe and the Far East. NyeTec was formed about 8 years ago, and we've slowly grown the company, taking on more and more providers of equipment. DECTEC being one of the main companies we now work with. We have about a year and a half been selling DECTEC products. We are now the #1 supplier in the UK of DECTEC products, which has been really good. The main reason for that is because we provide a friendly and helpful face to all the customers. I have been in the broadcast market 30 years, and as an engineer, about 10 years ago, I was turned to the dark side and I became a salesman. But I still have a very strong engineering feeling and sense, and I can bring that engineering experience to my customers to help them understand the products and also make sure they get what they want, because we believe in focusing on what the customer needs, not what the manufacturer necessarily wants to sell.
And you've got some products here I noticed you're showing this year.
Yeah, well, we have software encoding, which are DECTEC products again. That's an established product, been on the market for about 2 years. Here we have from a Korean company called NyeTec. It's an RF recorder. This allows you to record a piece of spectrum, either 8 megs or 24 megs wide, anywhere from 50 megs up to 1 gig. It's typically used, the BBC used it when they needed to, or used an RF recorder when they needed to do T2 work, to allow them to record signals when there was no receivers available. So here you can see this is replaying a signal off air. This is DECTEC Expect. That's a new monitoring system that's come from DECTEC. DECTEC are well known for low prices and high quality, and that's what this delivers. It delivers good quality monitoring, ETR 290 monitoring at effective price, giving us a multi-viewer where we can see the video content, the audio content, and we also have alarms and recording options in the software. And this is the HD Explorer, which is a high quality analyzer for DVB T2, T and SNS2. We have these DECTEC products, which are allowing us to take an ASI signal and put it over an IP network. More and more of the networks are buying these, particularly with the Olympics coming up. Here we have the Expertia system, which is a very effective training system. They have launched about a year ago a training system for engineers, which is a DVB training system. They have that now in 14 universities across Spain. And this year's new and exciting product is LabMuse Studio. And that is effectively a studio in a box. And I believe that...
Yes, I believe we talked to them, so there's a video for that people can look at our website, yes.
So essentially, that's what NyeTec do. As an engineer and a salesman, I look for what the customer requires. So if I don't have in my portfolio what the customer needs, then what I do is I go out and find that for my customers, and, as I said, provide them the support that they require to make sure that the product is a success with them.
Terry, excellent. If people want to find out more information about NyeTec and all the products and services you offer, I'm assuming there's a website they can go to?
There is www.nyetec, that's NYETEC.com, and please phone myself or my wife Carol. This is a family business, and we're here to serve you and help you.
That's great. Thank you very much, Terry. Highly advise you go and have a look at their website, find out how Terry can help you find all the products and services that you need. We did an interview with the LabMuse studio people a few days ago, and you can find that at broadcastshow.com along with all the other videos that we produced this year at BVE South.